Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish patties for your burger. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of firm white fish, like cod or haddock, along with 1 egg and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Don't forget fresh herbs, salt, pepper, and a little lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Once your fish is cooked and cooled, gently flake it into a large mixing bowl. Aim for small, even pieces. Now, add your binding ingredients, the egg and breadcrumbs. Incorporate your chosen fresh herbs like parsley or dill, along with salt, pepper, and that touch of lemon juice. Mix everything thoroughly but gently, ensuring it's well combined without overworking. Now it's time to shape your patties. Divide the mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions and form them into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make sure they are firm enough to hold together. Heat a little oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook each patty for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. With your fish patties perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble your amazing burger. Lightly toast your favorite burger buns. Place a warm fish patty on the bottom bun. Now get creative with your toppings. Fresh lettuce, sliced tomatoes, and red onion are classic choices. Finish with a generous dollop of tartar sauce, a zesty aioli, or your preferred condiment. Enjoy your homemade fish burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.